Today, I'll be showing you how to do these flame nails. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. You will need this green and white polish and a dotting tool. I'm going to start by painting the nails green. Now, to start on the flame, we're going to start by painting this nail halfway, and then we're going to start doing the flame with green and white. Don't forget to check out the cards at the top of the video that I left for you, and don't forget to look at the end screen videos. To make it look more like a flame, we're going to take away some of the white. This is what they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.